Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to set up or reset up rather my LetPot Maxx, and I'm going to talk you through how I'm going to do that and show you some of the features. Okay, out of the box, this is what we have. You have a holding area that holds 7.5 liters of water. You have the light tower that lifts up. You have a large tray where you can put 2 large size plants, and we're going to do that today. You also have a tray where you can hold 21 plants. I've used this in the previous use of it, but I'm not going to use it today. You also have your tags, your germination covers, your support rods, and your shade covers. You have in this bag the 2 big sponges that I'm going to use here. You have covers for the germination cover, rather, for the smaller set. You have sponges for the smaller tray. And you also have the basket kits. So all this stuff, I'm going to put it back inside the box because I'm not going to need it since it's for the smaller tray. Now, once it's filled with water, and it gets filled with 7.5 liters of water, and there's a line up inside that shows you the water level where it should be. Inside, in this area here, is where you put your nutrients, A and B, or whichever one that you use for your plants. This will sit on top, like so. Your sponges will sit here, like so. So before we put the sponges in and fill with water, we're going to talk about the display here. As I said, the LetPot Maxx comes with a 21-pot tray for regular plants or small plants, and a 2-pot tray, which is what we're using now for larger plants. I plan on planting some Roma tomatoes in these. These were given to me by my mother-in-law, so naturally I wanted to try and grow them. It has an automatic nutrient feeder inside of it. We'll discuss that in a little bit. It can automatically add water should you choose to use that feature via a tube, a pump, and this, which goes into your water source. Last time I used this, I had it connected to a 2-gallon pitcher. I wasn't able to keep the pitcher covered, so I had a little problem with algae. So this time around, I'm not going to I used that automatic feature. I'm just going to fill it manually myself. On the front, hopefully you can see, it shows you what plant mode you're in. Right now, it says plant mode, vegetable and herb. We're going to change that to flowers, and I'm going to do it on the app. It tells you what my water level is. It tells you the display brightness. It tells you the pump mode. Right now it's on operating mode. Whether or not you're connected to Wi-Fi, the time, the number of days the pot has been growing, and you're on mode in 24-hour mode or military mode or 12-hour mode. Your lighting again down here, the time that it comes on, the time that it goes off, and whether or not it's on automatic or manual. And on the app later on, I'm going to go through and change the time and everything and connect it to my internet so that I can do everything from my phone. This particular, both the LetPot Senior and the LetPot Maxx allows users to basically do everything from their phone. It takes into consideration busy lifestyles. So you can set it, use the automatic on-off feature, comes on it at 7, goes off at 11, gives the plants more than enough light, and as they grow, you raise the level up and down. Right now, it's going to be on the lowest level that it can possibly be because the plants haven't started growing yet. It has LED lights up underneath here of all the spectrum needed for the plants to grow. This particular tray has a opening here that you can turn and take off, and to allow you to add water manually, which is what I will be doing. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to plant my seeds momentarily and how to add the nutrients. The LetPot system comes with its own nutrients, LetPot A and B. I'm using a different nutrient. It's called HydroGrow. Part A and Part B. Part A is 30. Its nutrient value is 302, and for Part B, the nutrient value is 1, 2, 3. So it says to add 20 milliliters of each after shaking up well. So I'm going to open my reservoir here, and I'm going to add 20 liters of the A. And we're going to pour it directly into the reservoir. And next I'm going to add 20 milliliters of the B. And I'm going to keep doing that until the reservoir is filled. Okay, for now, I think I have it about half full, and I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to close the lid. I'm going to put this back over it. And now we're ready to plant. So with the seeds, I'm going to put 2 seeds into each little hole in the sponge. Okay, they are in. And then I'm going to lower this as low as I can get it. So as I said earlier, with this system, you can automatically add water when the water level is low. I will not be using that feature. I will be watering manually. You have 2 modes of grow lights for fruit and flowers, and one for veggies and herbs. I'm using the one for fruit and flowers. It has a 8-level adjustable LED growing light system for 4 different needs. It's waterproof. It has a 4.6-inch LED monitor on a touch screen, which is easy to see. And I've set up the app on my phone, so I will get alerts to let me know when it's time to add water or nutrients. So I hope you learned something about the LetPot system. If you're interested in purchasing one, I'll leave a link for them in the comment section rather of the video, and also in the description portion of the video. It's a good system, and since I got bit by the hydroponic bug last year around the holidays, I've been itching to get my system set back up. Once these get big enough, I'm not sure if I'm going to plant them outside, or if I will put them into my 5-gallon hydroponic system inside the grow tent. But either way, I will bring you along so you'll know what's going on with the plants. Keep the fingers crossed. Hopefully they will germinate, and we'll have Roma tomatoes. And I can show my mother-in-law that the seeds that she got me were put to good use. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and fruit by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. If you are a returning subscriber or visitor to my channel, thank you. I appreciate you. You guys really make the channel grow, and lately it's been growing really, really, really good. I'm approaching a personal goal as far as subscribership, and I would have never thought it could happen when I started this channel 4 years ago. So for that, I thank you very much. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.